going on, everybody? Jonathan Crumpton here, Master Trainer Art Labs Welding School. I got Jesse Hayes here with me today again, Piedmont lead instructor. All right, so you saw part 1 and part 2 of the 3G MIG root and flux core fill and cap. Well, today we're going to be filling it and capping it out with flux core.
All right, so we got the root pass down, all cleaned up. First thing we're going to do now is run our hot pass, get it smoked in there. All right, so we just run our hot pass. We're gonna get the slag knocked off, see if we left any deep spots in there. There we go. We want it all to come off in one piece, real nice and pretty. No real deep crevices to fill in, nothing much to grind out. We should be good for our first fill pass. All right, so we got our first fill in there. We're gonna knock the slag off, see if we got any low spots to fill up or any high spots to grind out. All right, so now we got our fill pass run. It's about as flush as I want it. I'm gonna start running that 2 bead cap now. All right, so what I've done now is I've done one side of my 2 bead cap, made sure I'm in spec. I'm no more than a 1/16 over on the weld toe, so that's good. So when I run this second one, I'll have 2 straight lines to go by. I'll have my valley in the middle, inside of my bevel, and then I'll have the toe over here to go by on my left side. All right, so in the first video, you see me run a MIG root with 035 wire. When we've done our hot pass, we actually pushed the root out a little bit, which is perfect. We're still in spec. Then we've got our 045 flux core wire here. We're still inside of our toe limit, which is an 1/8 overall. We're no higher than an 1/8, which is also perfect. And if you do everything like we explained, that's what you'll end up with.
All right, everybody, so that was a 3G MIG root, flux core fill and cap. I want to thank Mr. Jesse Hayes here for helping us out and demonstrating that. Tune in for the next one.